Hello all, this is a continuation of the previous video. We have made a series regarding the explanation of different Python modules. In this video also we are going to make an explanation of the Python module called function tools, that is FUNC tools, which is used for higher order functions and its operations on callable objects. Here we are going to make two different operations like reduce and partial. So for that, first we are importing the library, which is import function tools. So first, within the first example, we are making use of the reduce function. So this function is going to give a sum of list of numbers. For that, we are giving numbers from 1 to 4, 3 on comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, and we are going to get its sum. So for that we are using the reduce function from the function tools within lambda x comma y, which is x plus y number. So within this reduce function, it will work with binary mode. So if it will take only two input at a time and give one output. That is, for example, we have given to find the sum of four numbers. Now first it will just took 1 comma 2 as input and get the output as 3. Then 3 will be given as input and another 3, that is output from 1 plus 2 3, that is given as one input, and the 3 is given as another input, and 3 plus 3 it will get 6. Again 6 will be given as one input and 4 will be given as another input, and the output will be 10. Then finally, as the sum of numbers we are going to display within the by using the print function, and we will get the output as 10. Here you may notice. Then with the again we are using the another example within which we are using the partial function. So by using this partial function, we can create a function with some default arguments. So for that we are making a user defined function within the definition multiply, and for that we are using two variables such as a and b, and we are returning its multiplication, that is a star b. Then we are getting an variable like double, within which we are calling this partial and this multiply, and we are fixing b is equal to 2. Then we are getting double of this function of 4, and it what is this do, it will multiply 4 into 2, that is 2 is fixed. Then the result will be 4 plus 4 to the 8. So this is the result of the partial function. So likewise, this function tools reduce and partial operation will be performed. In the next video, we will make an continuation series with this socket library. Thank you.